Google Pixel Tablet hands-on. The Android tablet we've been waiting for. Transcript. Google's back in the tablet game again, but this time for your home. The Google Pixel Tablet is a home hub that's also a standalone Android tablet. The Google Pixel Tablet is a new tablet that is designed to stay docked in a magnetic home hub that is also a speaker that allows you to grab it, disconnect, pop it back in, check stuff like your home information, your webcams, and maybe watch videos on. Priced at $500, the Google Pixel Tablet competes with the iPad and is intended to be a shared device. It do some picture framing, web chat, but also to be something that you can disconnect and use as your everyday tablet at $500. It's not too expensive and it's clearly competing with stuff like the iPad, but it's also designed to be a shared device. That home hub thing, that magnetic charging dock that's included in the package, and it's sort of the place where it's going to live. Familiar look, sure, because you've seen Nest Hubs and Google Home Hubs, things that have already been there for years that look exactly like this. The difference here is not only is it more expensive, but you can disconnect that tablet and it's a full-featured tablet with a 12-hour battery life that you could use for pretty much anything you'd use. An Android tablet. For the performance on this does look really promising. It's got a Tensor G2 chip which is similar to what's on the Pixel phones, and it also has a nicer web camera for making video calls or taking selfies. It's got some pretty nice specs. That G2 chip plus 8GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of storage, and the performance based on the few minutes that I got to try it so far seemed pretty zippy, especially for multitasking. Things like voice dictation were particularly smooth. So who is this for? Well, I mean really anybody who's been wanting a really good Android tablet could be the person. Somebody doesn't want an iPad and wants a lot of Google features. It looks like a really nice design. The aluminum case has a nice soft touch and I like the way it felt as far as the performance based on the brief time I had with it. The only question I have is, how is it for kids? I mean, Google's really good about switching accounts, deciding you can't do easily on an iPad, but doesn't have any keyboard case accessories, at least not ones designed specifically for the Pixel tablet. Not yet. Now you could get your own Bluetooth keyboard and pair it, but considering Google's got so much support for Chromebooks, I was really hoping for some device that would allow this to be a nice little laptop for kids. It's not meant really to be that it's really a home tablet. It doesn't mean you can't flex it for your kids for some other things. Your mileage may vary. I'm really looking forward to see how it feels in a full review. The good news is this is probably going to open the door for a lot more affordable Android tablets, considering that Google has invested so much effort in making some of these key Android apps be compatible for larger screens. We'll find out more in June. If you have questions, make sure to ask in the comments, and also make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.